as well as in the long term. In this regard, that one of our first pronouncements was to lower fertilizer prices to set the pace for the implementation of this intervention, dubbed the Fertilizer Subsidy Program. The National Treasury has already availed 3.55 billion towards this intervention. Under this program, the government, through the National Cereals and Produce Board, will make available 1.4 million bags or 50 kg of fertilizer to farmers during the ongoing short rains season at the prices as stipulated here below. The new cost of DAP will be 3,500 from nearly 7,000. The price of CAN will be 2,875. The cost of urea, again, that was way beyond 7,000, will be 3,500. NPK, 3,275. MOP, 1,775, while sulfate of ammonia will be 2,220. I appeal to farmers in the regions that are receiving the short rains to reach out to local national cereals and produce depots and sub-depots to access the required fertilizer. Finally, let me assure all farmers throughout the country that we are all private to all fertilizer requirements for the long rains season 2023. The government has commenced consultations with key actors and stakeholders to ensure quality, affordable, and accessible fertilizer that will be available to all farmers across our great nation. With those few comments, it is now my privilege and pleasure to officially unveil the Fertilizer Subsidy Program. Thank you very much. Asanteni sana.